friends, now my crane is done building. So now I'll show you all the parts. Here's the wrecking ball, the picker, the hook. I've got some blocks. This paper is the construction zone and the wrecking zone. Over here, my crane has the hook knob, which makes the hook longer. And it has the boom knob, which makes the crane arm go up and down. You can check the angle by looking at this. I even got some marbles which you can play with and this basket. So now I'll build a building and show you. So the construction zone, I'll pick up a block with the picker like this, and this. Now turn the crane and then one brick. Pick up it from the boom knob. Oopsies. Again the boom knob. Here's the building. Now I want to wreck it, so I'll just open the picker handle. I'll put on this wrecking ball and it broke down. Thank you for watching my video.